Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. So I started on recording this video a couple days ago and I ended up doing something else and I did not get a chance to come back. So I'm just starting over completely when it comes to my January 2nd pre-paycheck budget. I don't really know, but I'm thinking the income will be at least $1,320. And that's the amount that I would have left after, sending money here, sending money there, all of that good stuff. Let's talk about the bills. So for the bills, we do have Cricket for $59, YouTube for $3, AT&T for $38. We do have Term Life for $30. And if you hear something snoring, Jasmine decided to sit by me and start sleeping. I don't know. So HP $1. For NES, I am doing $70. For State Farm, I decided to go with $68.25. And that's just when you take the full amount, which is about $238. And I just pretty much set aside a portion for that. Oh my goodness, y'all, she's very loud. Netflix, we have $8.75 for the month of March. And when it comes to house, we have $500. Now, I wanted to go to Walmart while I was out getting groceries and things and also get a money order, but they were closed. So I still haven't gotten a money order yet, but I will try to get one within a couple days. For the total, we have $778 and $542 left. When it comes to saving, for right now, we are only going to save $30 for SoFi. Some savings is better than none, right? And then we have $512 left. Of course, for the car payment. We're going to continue to try to do $230 bi-weekly or $460 a month. And that's just because that $30, I believe, or, something similar would cover interest. Not for the entire month, for a good portion of the month, interest would get covered by at least $35. And then we're left with $282. Let's see where that money is going. And this is for daily expenses. We have grocery for $220. Now, mind you, couple days before I decided to make this video like this when it comes to the totals, they were not talking too much about snow, and now we have snow, so all of this would change. But I was thinking $220 for grocery, gas $42, miscellaneous $20, and that is a total of $282, which when we put everything in the calculator, we did just end up with $0. So overall, this would be just a pretty basic budget. I'm not saving a lot, but $30 is better than $0. And these are just the typical bills that needs to be paid. I know this is a short video. Sorry, y'all. I got sidetracked trying to look at the news. Looks like certain areas there are power lines that is down. I know as of 10 minutes or so ago, There was about 190,000 people without power. My power is still on, thank goodness. And I do need to just go wash the dishes before everything decides to go out. But we are good when it comes to grocery. We have everything. Let me go ahead and put this video up while I can.